Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, in an exceptional fashion, we're putting in this beautiful fescue sod. Now, the reason why you put in fescue sod on the landscape is because you don't get a lot of sun. So in this particular case, we don't get a lot of sun on this landscape, so it became necessary that we come up with the grass that was absolutely going to be able to last, and that was the beautiful fescue sod that you see here. Now, in addition to that, we also brought in 4 inches of topsoil sediment to ensure that this grass roots beautifully. But one of the ways in which we've been able to become the highest rated landscaping company around is by also ensuring that we give our customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. Now, in addition to that, we didn't just stop there. We also gave this customer a solution to the landscape drainage problem by being able to come up with a custom dry creek bed design that allows us to catch the water coming from the neighbor's yard and reappropriate it through this 20-inch drain box that then goes up under the ground, guys, through a 6-inch corrugated pipe and takes itself through the back side of the landscape, where it's then being able to be released into the storm drain. So these are just some of the ways that we continue to give our customers an amazing outdoor landscape transformation, and it's the reason we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. Now, as you can see within this river rock design, it's not only allowed for us to reappropriate the water, but it's also given a solution to that which was moving on this customer's landscape from the neighbor's yard. And that's just what we do each and every time. We always go over and beyond to give our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have been expected. That's exactly what we've been able to do on this landscape, just showing you a bird's eye view of the before and that of what this landscape looked like and the after. Now, something that may also surprise you is that we were just on this landscape a year ago, and we put in the same type of drainage system coming from the fence, and we took it down through a 6-inch corrugated pipe. At the time, the customer had their own drain box, but they just got tired of trying to solve this drainage problem. So they called us, and we came in, we put a new drain box in, only one, because we didn't need nothing but a 20-inch drain box. And then it says that we focused on being able to direct the water that was moving from this fence. So the water was coming through the fence line right here, guys, and by doing so, it was causing a tremendous amount of erosion on this side. Now, as that water comes through this fence, it's going to be forced to go through our beautiful decorative gravel, where we also have an erosion control fabric. So that black fabric is like a silk fence type material, so it doesn't allow any water to go into the bare dirt. Essentially, it keeps our rocks at the same height that they currently are, ensuring that we have a fall to the path of least resistance and that the water is going into the drain box. Now, we do run a test as we get ready to finish this job site, so you're going to be able to see that take place. But I wanted you to be able to see what we've been able to do in just a short amount of time when it came to giving this customer an amazing outdoor landscape transformation. It simply said that we provided them with a beautiful landscape drainage solution while also being able to provide them with this beautiful sod installation, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. Thanks, Bob.